Are you feeling stuck because you need business education, but you're not making enough money so that you can afford the business education that you need in order to make more? Okay, pull up a chair. We're going to talk about this because I have been in your shoes, and there was definitely a time where I wanted something that was going to move my business forward, but I didn't know how to get there because it was too expensive. This is what I call my get rich quick scheme. You're going to want to save this so that you can refer to it whenever you need it. So what happened was I wanted a workshop that was $3,500 and I didn't have it. No way. Eric said, well, if you can make the money in a week, you can register for the class, you can make it happen. So I got my thinking on and I was like, all right, 3,500, that's just 7 times 500. So if I could get 7 people at 500, I could make that happen. Let's say you want to buy a workshop like Level Up, and Level Up is $1,200. Well, that's just $299 times 4 people, or $399 times 3 people. So you could definitely get that. So what I would recommend is don't start with your clients that are going to be your total end game clients, not those big clients that are going to be your dreamy ideal ones. You want to start with maybe more like your broke friends. We all have those broke friends that aren't going to be our ideal clients, but we love them nonetheless and we want to do shoots with them. So I reached out and I said, hey, my urgency is going to be your gain. I need to register for a class in the next week, and so I'm doing these rock bottom prices. If you want to get in on it, I'm going to sell this to 5 people who want to spend $700 or $699 or whatever the math is for you. And then because there was the urgency, because it was a limited amount of people, they said yes. And I had the money in hand within a week. Now, did I have to deliver? Of course, you definitely have to deliver on the session you promised. So you would do it as a shoot and burn, rock bottom, prices. But what you can also do is if you're learning something new, especially if it's about business, you could tell them, you get to see all the new full service luxury approaches that I'm going to be learning about. I get to practice those with you, and you get to be my first client to try them out. So who doesn't love being a beta tester of something? So that's how I did it. That's how you can do it. You can raise this money in a day. You can raise this money in a week. And then from there on in, you are always ready to make the moves that are going to push your business forward. Stop stalling. You've got to make this happen, and your business deserves it, and you deserve it too.